Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cactus coaster. The materials that we're gonna need for this project is a worsted weight yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and pair of scissors. This is the pattern that we're gonna use for this project. Now we're gonna start making our project. First, we're going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then skip one stitch and then make 5 single crochet. And then we're gonna change our color to brown. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then change to yellow. Then single crochet 5 in the next 5 stitches using the yellow yarn. Then this is the right side of our work. This is the first row, and then we're gonna proceed to the second row. This is the second row. And then we're gonna make 4 yellow, 7 brown, and 4 yellow. Chain 1, turn your work, make 4 single crochet stitches using the yellow yarn. And then change your color to brown. Then make 7 single crochet stitches with the brown color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then change to yellow and then make 4 single crochet stitches. This is the wrong side of our work. Then turn. Gonna proceed with row 3. For the third row, it's just the same. Gonna make 4 yellow. And then change to brown. 7 brown. And then 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on the 4th row, it's just the same pattern from the last one. 4 yellow. And then 7 brown. And then 4 yellow. Then I'm gonna work on the next row. Gonna make 5 yellow and 5 green and 5 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change to green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're gonna work on the next row. Gonna make 4 yellow, 7 green, and 4 yellow. I'm gonna repeat that pattern until you reach row 13. Chain 1, make 4 yellow, and then 7 green, and then 4 yellow. Next, chain 1, then repeat the pattern from the last row. So can pause the video and I'll be back when I'm done with row 13. Now we're gonna proceed with the next row. Chain 1, and then make 5 yellow, and then 5 green, and then 5 yellow. Next, for the row for 15, chain 1 and then single crochet and the next 15 stitches. Now we're gonna make the finishing of our project. We're gonna make a single crochet on the sides, and then when you reach the corner, make a chain 1. Next, use the yarn needle to sew the yarn ends. You can also make a flower for your cactus. Just make a magic ring and then make 4 single crochet stitches until the ring, and then on every single crochet stitch we're gonna work 2 chain, 2 double crochet and the same stitch, and then chain 2 and then slip stitch on the same stitch, and then just repeat that to the remaining 3 stitches. And then you can attach that to your cactus coaster. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.